Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother. Let's talk about pressure gauges and their basic troubleshooting. So reading pressure gauges is very important, guys. You tell a wrong reading, you will be mocked at. You tell a wrong reading, you are giving wrong information and they will be judging it wrong. So very important. So few things that you have to remember is when you go to a pressure gauges, पहले तो ये देखो boss, what is the unit of that pressure? Is it kilogram per centimeter square? That is bar? Is it MPa or is it bar? To every marine engineer out there, from junior engineer to chief engineer and electrical officer, we all know that earning respectship is very important. We all know fast promotions are very important, and we all know that इज्जत कमानी है, promotion चाहिए तो काम आना चाहिए, तो जूते पड़ते हैं, गालियां पड़ती हैं, and for that you need a good mentor. Sometimes we keep finding those mentors on board ship, अगर नहीं मिल रहे तो MND Flix है ना, Merchant Navy Decoded has launched a subscription model where you can find more than 30 plus courses with respect to your rank, helping you earn respect on ship. Please enroll on these free trial videos, watch these videos as per rank, and then decide whether you want to invest or not with a very good flexible payment plan as well. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mother. So out here it is bar, that means 0 bar. Out here it is 0 MPa. Out here it is, say 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 bar, this is 2 bar, this is 3 bar. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this is 0.2 bar, this is 0.4 bar, 0.6 bar, 0.8 bar, and this is 1 bar. So guys, you need to know what each calibration stands for. You need to know that 10 bars make 1 MPa. You need to know 1 bar is 1.01 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square. You need to understand कि भैया say this is 0, say this is 0 and this is 2. That means, just a second guys, this is 0, this is 2, in between this is 1, and in between 1 and 2 this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tapping. That means each tapping is 0.2. So this is 1.2, this is 1.4, this is 1.6, this is 1.8, and then this is 2. This is 0.2, this is 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1 bar. Similarly out here this is 0, this is 0.05 MPa. That means this is 0.01, 0.02, 0.03, 0.04, 0.05, 0.06, 0.07, 0.08, 0.09, 1, 0.1, 0.11, 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15, 0.16, 0.17, 0.18, 0.19, 0.2 MPa. 0.2 MPa is how much? 2 bar. That means this is 2 bar, this is 1.5 bar, this is 1 bar, this is 0.5 bar, this is 0 bar. I hope you got it, my friends. This is 0, this is 5, this is 1, 2, this is 1, 2, 3, no, this is 1, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this longer one is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, this one 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So what is this 20? 20 bar. So what will be this reading? This will be 20, 21, 21.5 bars. What will be this reading? This will be 0.05, this is 0.07 MPa, 0.7 bar. What will be this reading? This will be 4, 5, 4.6 bar. Copy it guys? Next आगे देखते हैं. This is in PSI. तो 1 bar is 14.5 PSI और 100 PSI is equal to 1 bar is equal to 14.5 PSI. PSI is points per square inch. 1 bar is equal to 100 kPa. This bar is in kPa. Sorry, this pressure gauge is in kPa. This pressure gauge is in PSI. This pressure gauge is in millimeter H2O. So you need to know 1 bar is equal to how many millimeter H2O. You need to know 1 bar is equal to how many 100 kPa. That means 100,000 Pascal. We know 1 bar is 10 to the power 5 Pascal, right? So 100 kPa. 1 bar is 14.5 PSI. So if I know that it is 20 PSI, so 20 PSI will be how many bars? 14.5 PSI is 1 bar. 20 PSI will be 20 upon 14.5. This much bars. Copied guys? So similarly you can do unitary method over here. This is 500 kPa, 500 kPa. तो 500 kPa means 5 bar, 1000 kPa मतलब 10 bar, 5 bar, 10 bar, 15 bar, 20 bar. Generally we do not use kPa, PSI as much as we, neither mmH2O, we use MPAs and bars. Similarly 1.013 bar is 760 mmHg. This is in mmHg, so this is also given over here. This is in bars, this is in bars. Now this is a compound gauge, no, this is a vacuum gauge. Now see out here guys, एक और चीज मजेदार, all the other pressure gauges that we saw were starting from 0, see, starting from 0 coming over, starting from 0 coming over here. Even though I have talked about pressure gauges in visionary package, but still starting from 0 coming over here. But what is the difference over here? This is opposite, starting from 0 going opposite. This is a vacuum gauge. Starting from over here going opposite. This is a vacuum gauge. This is again a vacuum gauge. So this is an MPa and bar. There are two readings. MPa is black inwards, bar is red outwards. So red is outwards. So this is again vacuum gauge. Start reading it guys. This is minus 0.2 bar, minus 0.3, minus 0.4 bars, minus 0.6 bars. This is 700 mmHg. This is atmospheric pressure, right? 1 bar. 600 mmHg, 400 mmHg, 200 mmHg. This is absolute zero or minus 1 bar. Compound pressure gauge, they have got the suction side and the discharge side. Sorry, the negative side, vacuum side and the pressure side. Vacuum side, pressure side. Vacuum side, pressure side. Now out here can you see? एक बार ध्यान से देखते हैं. So this is MPa. MPa means 0.6 MPa means 6 0.6 MPa 6 bar, 5 bar, 4 bar, 3 bar, 2 bar, 1 bar, 0. Then MPa red is negative part. So it says 0.1, that is minus 1 bar. Copied. Similarly kgf per centimeter square, centimeter Hg, it is given over here in centimeter Hg. This is kgf per centimeter square. Copied sir. आगे बढ़े तो kgf per centimeter square is how much? Bar. kgf per centimeter square is bars. Can you see 0.6 and 6? 0.5 approximately same. Copied guys over here. A few examples of pressure gauge values. अब ये देखते हैं. So this is, let us see this one. So guys, first of all, this is PSI. So red वाला is PSI. This is PSI. 10,000 PSI, 11,000 PSI, 12,000 PSI. So around 12,000, बीच में नहीं है, 12,400 PSI is the value. We know 1 bar is 14.5 PSI. Then calculate yourself. 12,400 PSI will be how much? Second thing is how much in bar? 0, 500 bar, 600 bar, 700, 800, 850 bar. Copied. 500, 600, 700, 800, 850 bars. Now 12,400 PSI will be approximately equal to 850 bars. So guys, this is something that you have to know, denominations. How much is this? So guys, अंदर वाला is in PSI, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850 or 860 PSI. And how much in KPI? This is around 4,000 KPI, 5,000, around 6,000 KPI. Simple. KPA. Around this is around 6 bars. I hope it's clear guys. So few example of pressure gauges value. Now you calculate it yourself guys. I am giving it a look to you and just put it in the comment section down below. Let me move ahead. Examples of pressure gauges in multiple values. Now this is something that this pressure gauge is fitted in refrigeration system, so that where you know the saturation pressure and temperature both corresponding to each other with respect to gas. So this is R104A gas, this is R32 gas. So इसके corresponding this is given. At one end this pressure is in PSI, inside one, this is in PSI. The outside end one is in bars. Copied guys. उसके corresponding saturation temperature is given over here for the gas R32 and saturation temperature is given for the gas R410A. Those who do not understand how this pressure gauge works, please go through the Dreamer package where the refrigeration system has been taught. and I think so it covers it all. With this, I think so. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.